Introducing Prestige Biopharma IDC, an emerging global hub for innovative drug research. Based in Busan, this Prestige Biopharma subsidiary leads antibody drug development through advanced research expertise. Here, scientific discovery is transformed into the promise of treatment. The first floor lobby of IDC is an open space where rest and exchange naturally come together. Researchers, visitors, and partners connect here, and those connections grow into new collaborations. The seminar room supports continuous learning through staff training and technical presentations. The VIP Lounge is a private space dedicated to welcoming distinguished guests and supporting important events and partner meetings. The Roa Hall accommodates over 300 people and hosts seminars, workshops, and events that bring knowledge and ideas together. The Open Innovation Space brings external partners together for joint research, technology exchange, and new ideas. The third floor laboratory is IDC's core research hub, where innovative antibody therapeutics and biosimilars are developed. From candidate discovery and cell line development to protein analysis and CMC, each stage of research is seamlessly connected. Advanced equipment and well-designed research spaces support a systematic and rigorous R&D process. On the fifth floor, researchers develop diagnostic kits and drug delivery system platforms, exploring new technologies for accurate diagnostics and effective therapeutic delivery. The non-clinical research laboratory evaluates the safety and efficacy of drug candidates. Backed by a robust preclinical infrastructure, it generates the evidence needed to advance to the next stage of development. The 2S room hosts research discussions and partnership agreements. The Vista room connects partner collaboration and strategy with business. Prestige Biopharma IDC, connecting research and collaboration to create new possibilities. Innovation for life.